Right everyone, I just wanted to share this one with you. Now it's really simple, really easy to make. So I've cut a couple of bits here that I can share how I did each one. They're all done individually. And they're done the same, but using the organza, which I've used the 38mm on that one. And I used the Grosgrain, the same width as well. And it's really simple. So I'm going to start one off, but I'm not going to continue it. Because I only need the one blue flower. So you need a base, obviously. Then you take these, I've already sealed them with the flame, and you fold them over on the ends. Very basic flowers, petals, like that. Just take a hold of it, put a knot in my thread. You start that off there, stitch along the end, joining the two edges together, and you've got room to do an extra stitch, and then you poke that one back down there, or fold it down should I say, and then you can continue to stitch to the end again. And then you pull it together, and there you go. Very simple. And then you do, so I've done 5, but you can do 6. These look okay with either, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to stitch mine off, just do a couple of tacking stitches like that, and then you just glue the back and you pop it on like that, and you continue doing those until you've got your flower. Oh well, I might as well do the base one. star flower sort of thing. I'm going to have to do that, aren't I? Because you're going to want it done. Okay, let's just take some of this. I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to do it a gathered way, to be honest. Just for quickness, that's all. I'm going to fold it over though to start it that way. I'm going to turn that over and then do a running stitch. So I'm doing like a gathered flower. Glue on me. I'll see how much I want my flower gathered by pull that through. That's it. See, like that. I'm just going to do a pretty neat gathered one, you know, full gathered one. Yeah, that's nearly how I want it. I'm going to put a little bit of fullness in it, as you know I like quite a lot on mine. I think that'll do. Now what I've got to do is, which I forgot, I'm going to bring that section in. So I am going to stitch to the end, like that. Let me just pull this flower in. Pull it in tight, and then pull that. And then I just have to find the end. Where did I put the end? There it is. And go back to the end of that. And you just pull that flower in together. And join the two ends. Like that. And there you go. We've just got a flower that's gathered. A basic gathered flower. And what I'm going to do is go around the edge. Oh, don't mind it running out. I just don't want it to run out when I'm using it. And then some in the middle there. But you're going to need your finger dobber for this, because it does, you know, go through this material. And that will help, because I did it on the edge, that will help flatten that down slightly. And it makes them a nice flowers. Like that. Just bringing that out a little bit each time. Like that. Just to even that up. So again, Again, I'm going to see about a large bead. Largish bead. I've got one here, this will do. Sorry about that, sorry. Hope you're watching. I'm going to dob that in there, like that. And then we take these flowers. I'm using the darker pink ones. And you can even these out around the flower. Now you can fill it out completely around the flower, or just do the odd one. And I'm just going to do the odd one, to be honest. Like that. I'm going to go one there. One there. Like that, and then I'm going to put one in there and push that down. Now push it down, because then it'll soak into the fabric. You need to push your flower down, your bead down as well. Good job you got lots of fingers. There, like that. And either way, I like. That's probably a better one anyway. But yeah, so another way of making flowers, so you can continue doing them all the same, this layer and that layer, top and bottom layer, or you can just do like a ruffle on top of them, done in the folded way. Alright, I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you back shortly. Bye bye for now.